today's session has been brilliant. You know, I've learnt some new things. So you've always been on a backhoe from young. Some things I didn't even realise a backhoe could do. So I've changed my perception again to see what, wonderful multi-tool, multi-purpose that a backhoe can be.
Definitely an awesome bit of kit. It can put its hand to virtually anything.
Being here today and seeing how far they've come and how versatile the new 40Xs are. It's the ergonomics in the cab, they're more user friendly, there's a few features on them that make them easier to drive every day.